Hi there, it's Sandra here from Createinspain and Siser Juliet Beginners to Pro. I am a big fan of using pens in my cutting machine. It means I can draw intricate patterns like this without any difficulty. It's nice and easy to do. You just put a pen in the machine, set it to draw, and off it goes. It does it for you. Not bad, is it? But there's a little trick to this that you may not have realised. How do you turn a blue pen like this with a blue pattern into a gold pattern? Magic. First of all, the pen that I use to draw this is a Sakura glaze pen. This is one of many pens I have. Doesn't make any difference what colour it is, but it's a glaze pen. Now the reason I chose to use this is because although I have normally got in my possession a Sakura glue pen, the Quickie glue pen I think it's called, I don't have any at the moment because mine's run out. This particular pen is designed so that it can draw on plastics as well as on card and things like that. So I figured it probably has some kind of plastic element to it. So what I've got is a piece of gold foil. This is the stuff that I would normally use with a glue pen. And I'm just going to pop that over my design like so. And I'm going to put a piece of paper over it. Now I have a little travel iron and I have got it on the number 2 setting, and I'm not using a great deal of pressure on this, but I'm just going to apply some heat. Now hopefully I will get it all over my design. Now I'm guessing you could probably do this in a laminator as well, but I haven't tried it out to see. I couldn't be bothered to get a laminator out, allow it to heat up for 10 minutes and then do it. Allow it to cool down a bit before you take it all apart. So I slide my finger under here. I'll just cool it off a bit. And then we can peel and reveal. And lo and behold, we have a design which has pretty much all been foiled. Now I can see some elements of blue. That may well simply because I haven't put enough heat on it or enough pressure on it. When I did one earlier, I just put it between 2 pieces of plain paper. But as you can see, that's not a bad effect, is it?